Hey, how's it going?
Good.
Good. I moved you guys. Hi, buddy. How you
He's
been?
like, oh, oh no, you can't smoke in here.
Oh,
See, no.
outside?
Yep.
All right, I'll be right back. Quitting smoking and vaping is best. But if you can't quit, taking it outside will improve the health of everyone in your home. It can even reduce someone's risk of long COVID. The use of propane or gas for heating or cooking can lead to respiratory infections and increased asthma symptoms. 26% of homes on the Cheyenne River Lakota tribe have unsafe levels of NO2 from gas heating or cooking. It is important to have gas stoves and heaters serviced yearly, and using a vent during cooking if it is properly ventilated outside of the home. Volatile organic compounds, or VOCs, and plasticizers are found in common household products like air fresheners, candles, nail polish, plastic and styrofoam food containers, bug killers, harmful cleaners, and degreasers. Exposure to chemicals in these products can cause reproductive or respiratory problems, headaches, and allergy symptoms. Avoid using plastic and products with unnatural chemicals in your home. Just using soap and hot water is often best. Use air conditioning, air purifiers, or open windows to improve ventilation. These are easy steps to help improve your indoor environment and the health of ourselves and our loved ones.